We've got some good news for all you Disney afternoon fans out there. Hey everyone, this is Kevin, the Aptrepreneur. Welcome to the media channel. This is a channel where we talk about physical media, streaming, and all this other stuff. So if you like stuff like this, please do us a favor and subscribe to the channel. We would like to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. You know, we're starting off with modest goals, but we think it's possible. But let's give a quick and I would say very positive update on a title that we have talked about a couple times pretty recently, the Chip 'n Dale Rescue Rangers Blu-ray complete series. Now, there's been just a lot of good news about this release altogether. So much so that you would almost think that I didn't have any issues with the way Disney handles their properties and physical media, which I have a lot of problems with. But Chip 'n Dale Rescue Rangers has been something that has been proven to be positive over and over and over again. First of all, that they released Chip 'n Dale on Blu-ray at all. Secondly, that it's the complete series. They're not breaking up into volumes. And I think going forward, complete series for shows that are less than 100 episodes probably should be the norm. If it's more than a couple hundred episodes, then yeah, make a different release or two. And then the next good thing, and as you can see right here, they are uncut. They have this little oops, my Siri watch went crazy. I'm sorry, but as you can see, this little parental advisory label shows that the show was uncut. And as you can also see, if you look really closely, that it's in the 4:3. So really, everything about this release has been super, super positive. Getting the show, it's uncut, correct aspect ratio. The only thing is that it's a Disney Movie Club exclusive. That's the only downside. You have to be a member of the Disney Movie Club in order to get this, and that's how people have gotten it and why it's on here. But we've got even more good news, and I'm assuming that this good news happened because I think this title probably sold very well. I think this title sold very well, and it got Disney to rethink the release a little bit. So here at the Digital Bits, one of my favorite websites for physical media, if you like physical media, you owe it to yourself to visit the Digital Bits. But anyway, I was caught by this headline where it says, Imprint Films' April slate includes Wicker Man, plus upcoming Kino Labor classics, and a surprise Disney animated title, which that was like, oh really? What's the surprise? So we have to go down a little bit. We're not going to read this whole thing. We're just going to go to the pertinent thing. But here's where the big news is. In other title news, here's a surprise. Walt Disney Studios Home Entertainment is releasing Chip 'n Dale's Rescue Rangers, the complete series on Blu-ray on February 15th. This is less than 2 weeks away. Let's hope lots more such titles follow. You can pre-order the title here on Amazon. Update: apparently this was a Disney Movie Club exclusive that the studio decided to put into wide release. Thanks to bit reader Ted Van D for the heads up. Now, and here's the thing, if you go to this evil website that I don't shop at, but a lot of people do, you can see Chip 'n Dale Rescue Rangers Season 1. And for those of you who brag about how you just buy everything from here because it's convenient, here it is on Best Buy at about $15 cheaper. Same product, $15 cheaper, not going to a company that's complete scum. But let's kind of talk about this a little bit, because that was like a very quick turnaround. Now, I have stated before, and I've explained before, that Disney Movie Club exclusives are definitely a necessary evil. Yeah, it's frustrating when basically they paywall a physical release behind a club membership, especially for something as antiquated as a movie club. I think Disney Movie Club might be the only one that is still around as far as I am aware. But I have defended the practice because, first of all, the Disney Movie Club exclusive lets these titles get released. Disney needs to incentivize you to actually sign up for a membership, because why would you sign up for a club where you have to buy movies at retail price? Why would you do that, especially in the age of streaming? Well, these exclusive Disney Club members only DVDs and Blu-rays, that's how you entice people to go. So it gets them to subscribe to that. But here's the other thing. it gives Disney kind of like a testing ground to see whether or not titles are worth releasing to a wider public. Like, now, not everything that is a DCM exclusive becomes a retail release. But what I believe happens, and I've had people on the inside that has more or less confirmed this is what goes on, Disney puts these titles as a movie club exclusive. And if it does very well, several months down the line, a retail version will be prepped. Now, here's what I find fascinating, because usually a Disney Movie Club release only has like a yellow bar that says Disney Movie Club exclusive, like, and then when they decide to make it a wide release, it's the same disc, it's just it looks more retail friendly. Well, as you can see with people who are selling their DMC copies of Chip 'n Dale on eBay, there is no indication that this is a DMC release. There's none whatsoever. So what I think happened, and this is not confirmed, this is just Kevin speculating. You can totally disagree with me if you do, and in fact, if you do, comment below. But if you agree, also let me know if you think this theory has validity. I think this was like a on-the-line release, that Disney felt pretty confident that this would be a good seller in the wide market, but at the last minute decided to kind of backpedal a little bit and to test the waters, if you will, on the Disney Movie Club website first. And I think it did very well on Disney Movie Club. In fact, it looks like it did so well that Disney basically said, okay, it's going to be a wide release in like a month, because this was the fastest turnaround for any DMC Blu-ray that I have ever seen. In fact, that really makes me wonder if the Black Cauldron really is the money loser that they claim it is, because the Black Cauldron came out on Blu-ray, I think, over a year ago, and the Black Cauldron is one of the main animated features in the Disney canon. That is a title that most serious Disney fans and most regular folks would want to have the entire collection on, and the fact that it never left the DMC exclusive phase and you can only get it at DMC, I kind of wonder if that shows that Black Cauldron really is not a good seller for the studio. But apparently Chip 'n Dale Rescue Rangers is, and now again you can go to Best Buy, you can pre-order it, $35 plus $4 shipping, or free shipping if you are a part of their membership club and you spend like so much money a year. But anyway, yeah, so good news on that front. I'm very happy, and now I don't have to bug Ryan to get me a copy. I just pre-ordered my copy from Best Buy, and I guess I will have it in a little while. So here's the good news, folks. If this happened, then you know Disney's got to be thinking about future releases. They at the very least got this to the wide retail release phase. But now, if you really want to see more Disney Afternoon series on Blu-ray, now you really have no excuse. It's a wide release. Make sure you buy it from somewhere, not eBay. Don't buy this from eBay. Buy it from someplace where the number actually counts, where Disney gets some money from the sale, and Disney might consider future series like DuckTales and Darkwing Duck, maybe even Bonkers for all I know. Actually, Bonkers has never been a very popular home video release. I wonder if Disney even remembers that they own Bonkers, to be honest. But anyway, this is nothing but good news, and I have been nothing but super ecstatic about this release overall. So now I have to ask, what do you all think? Do you subscribe to my theory, or do you disagree with my theory? I would love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.